Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own ClipSwitch flashlight. A flashlight that's isolated and turned on and off by the pocket clip. For more information about the ClipSwitch, please watch my other YouTube videos. For the best results, here's what you'll need. A Streamlight Microstream USB flashlight, a flat blade screwdriver with some tape over the end, a cotton swab, a toothpick, a pair of pliers with tape over the ends, at least 2 paper reinforcement labels, a roll of masking tape, some clear Gorilla Glue, some clear base and top coat nail polish, some deoxit contact cleaner, some deoxit shield, and some deoxit gold. You'll also need some Scotch-Brite or fine sandpaper, an electric pencil with a sharp tip, and finally a bead blast cabinet. It's very important that you get the USB rechargeable Streamlight Microstream because what I'm about to show you will not work on the standard Microstream. You could also use a used Streamlight Microstream USB, but the threads for the tail cap must be like new. Make sure that the light is in good condition and works properly on both the low and high settings. If all is well, take your flat blade screwdriver, making sure you have some tape over the end to protect against scratches, and gently wedge it underneath the back of the tail cap to pop it off. Next, carefully unscrew the tail cap, trying to avoid undue wear and damage to the anodization on the threads. If you remove the battery, make sure to note the orientation. The side with inner and outer contact points goes down towards the emitter end of the light. If you take a look at the end and the threads here, we are going to isolate them so that they no longer make contact with the tail cap. Take a reinforcement label and put it into the tail cap. I like to use a toothpick that I have blunted the end of so that it doesn't damage the anodizing on the threads. And you're going to put 2 labels inside here just to make sure that the bare metal parts don't touch. If your flashlight is used, you might need to use a cotton swab and a toothpick to clean the threads out, being careful not to remove the anodizing because that is the part that helps keep the tail cap isolated. Next, you'll take your clear nail polish and shake it good. Then apply it to the tail cap threads, being careful not to over-apply or get any on the battery spring. Then you'll apply it evenly over the threads of the body of the light. You're going to want to allow the nail polish to dry for at least 2 hours before the next step. Since you won't be able to easily access the battery, take some deoxit gold and apply it to both ends and make sure to get some on the tail cap spring. Don't forget to reinsert the battery with the single contact point facing up. Before applying Gorilla Glue to hold the tail cap in place, take your cotton swab dipped in water and dab it along the threads. This will make the glue cure. Gently reinstall the tail cap and snug it down, but don't tighten it too much. The glue will hold it in place very well, and you don't want to damage the surface on the threads. Wipe any excess glue off with a rag or paper towel, and then you're going to want to click the tail cap on and off to make sure the light does not come on. If the light stays off, you're ready for the next step, which is removing the tail cap cover so the glue can dry for 24 hours. While the glue is drying, take the pocket clip and we're going to bend it gently so that there's no more gap in the middle here. Take your pliers and gently squeeze a little at a time until the gap is gone and stays gone. Next, install the pocket clip and tape the light up as I have done here. Remove the clip and tape it up as well. Only the inside top and bottom portions of the light and pocket clip where the body and the clip touch are exposed. Then you're going to take and either sand or bead blast the exposed areas. After you're done, clean up the freshly bead blasted areas with some Scotch-Brite and your deoxit contact cleaner using a cotton swab. Follow up with an application of the deoxit shield. Don't forget to also clean up the tail cap, but before you apply the contact cleaner and shield to it, take your electric pencil and you're going to scribe a deep vertical groove in the pocket clip right in the middle. Now you can apply the deoxit cleaner and shield. Firmly squeeze the round portion of the pocket clip to make it fit tighter around the light. And the last step is to get everything aligned and install the pocket clip. That's it! You've successfully created a ClipSwitch flashlight. If you have any questions, please email me at bhauer16@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.